So how do you change the phone number in the iPad settings? So let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so we can get started. So at first we need to kind of like identify which number we try to update. If you mean the one you have kind of like associated with yourself and your profile here, then instead of going to the settings, we can go to the contact and click on your card at the top, because you can see you might see all of the people you have stored. But when you click on yourself in there, you can see your information, including the phone number, and you can click on edit and change the number to be something else. This is the number of yourself, which you have saved for your, own contact. But specifically inside of the settings, we also have some things you might be interested in terms of the phone number. Like you can go to the apps at the bottom and choose things like the FaceTime, for example. Like a lot of people use FaceTime on their iPad, and in there, in the section which is called "You can be reached by FaceTime at," you might have few phone numbers, you might have only email like I do, but the point is that you can choose where you are accessible. So you can choose which phone number you are kind of like using to access and use FaceTime. So that's something you can do as well. Same thing for iMessage. So if you find the messages in here, you can also choose it from those options if you have it available. And also, if you go to your profile at the top and click on the personal information or sign in and security, you can kind of like dig through your personal settings in there. And it's also possible that the two-factor authentication is also going to be part of this like iPad, and then you can also choose like the phone number for it. But yeah, I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, right? So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads.